kind of pick up where I left off. I deleted the soffits. And the next thing I'm going to do, in case you wanted the other kind of ceiling, is I'm going to open the dialog box here and drop the ceiling from where I had it at the end of this other video at 10. I reread your post. It says you want 9 feet, so I'm going to set it. Actually, I'm going to set it temporarily at 8 feet. I'll explain why momentarily. Now I'm going to go over here to Roof Tools and click on the Roof dialog. I'm going to go over here to Build, Roof, yeah, and Ceiling Plane. Just in case you meant a coppered ceiling. And I'm going to click on the Ceiling Plane tool and draw the inside edge of the wall. It's kind of like creating roof planes, only these are ceiling planes. You draw them with the baseline on the inside edge of the wall, like that. Okay, now I'm going to take these edges and using the Join Roofs tool, join the edges, like that. And probably ought to stretch that one out a little bit more. And I'm going to make these the same dimensions. I'm going to make, I don't know, set it to 12 inches and see what it looks like. These corners, these mitered corners should then match up. These should all be the same baseline height and so forth. So that'll be evident when we do a camera view. And I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. Join these edges, and we'll set this to 0. There we go. Now, before I do a camera view, I'm going to these ceiling planes will stay put. I'm going to raise the ceiling height to 108. Then we'll take a look. See if I got the effect I wanted. And I sort of kind of did. The pitch wasn't as steep as I thought. I didn't even look at the pitch. Let me see what the pitch is. Well, it's pretty steep. We have a coffered ceiling, but it doesn't look right. I'm going to change these pitches. I'm going to shift select these three and change it to 12. See if it looks better. It does. Okay. And then this one, of course, I didn't change in the camera view, but I'm going to leave the baseline height will stay here at 100 inches, and we'll just steepen the pitch to 12. That's how you do a quick coffered ceiling with the custom ceiling planes. And I just lowered the ceiling height because the ceiling planes are going to follow whatever the ceiling height is set to. And so I knew we wanted to end up with a 9-foot ceiling, so I drew the ceiling planes you get the idea, at 8 feet, so that they'd be down here at 8 feet and then stretch up to 9 feet. That's a quick way to do that. Boy, that's really steep. Let me look at that in an elevation camera. That didn't look quite right. Well, I guess it's all right. Depends on, that's a 12 pitch. I think that looks fine. And it looks like maybe let me measure that. I'm going to raise them all 1 3/4 inches. We'll just shift select them. I'm going to use transform replicate to raise them 1.75 inches. I'm going to check that with a camera. Always good. You do stuff in plan view or in an elevation camera, it's always good to look at a different camera type to check your work. Yeah, that looks a little cleaner. Okay, well that's it on this. If you wanted something else, you just have to say so. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful to you.